Hi, it's Kay Lowry, and it's almost 2:45, and I am gonna make dinner in my Ninja Foodi, my favorite piano teaching day friend. So I am going to pressure cook the chicken and the rice in the Ninja Foodi. And my vegetables I've microwaved separately because I like a lot of vegetables and there's not enough room. I probably should have bought the larger Ninja, but I didn't. So here's a cup of rice. Here is a cup of water. And I think I am gonna go over to my sink. Don't look at how dirty my sink is, please. And grab just a bit more water because here's why. Sorry, making you dizzy. It's 2:45 and I don't finish until 6:30. So let me see if I can do this without dropping chicken. It will be a trick. We're gonna put the chicken in here on the rack. 3 chicken breasts. And then what we're gonna do next is put the lid on. Okay, so we're gonna put the pressure cooker lid on. And I was very afraid of this at first. You have to make sure that this is turned to seal. So you turn that to seal, and then we're gonna turn it on. Oh, it helps to plug it in. See, there are always things to think about, different steps. So we're gonna plug it in. There we go. And then we're gonna do pressure. And we are gonna do it, it says high, I'm gonna cook it on high, and I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes. Now this is kind of different than what the manual says, but I'm gonna cook it for 10 minutes. And after it goes off, it will keep at a food safe temperature. And then when I get done teaching at 6:30, I'm gonna put this on top of the chicken breasts. And I'm gonna come back here and probably do air crisp and put a little crispy top on the chicken for about 2 minutes. So we'll just press go, and then dinner is already cooking. Yay!